The most distinct difference of ProFarmers from our peer banks is that ang priority namin talaga farmers. The vision was to be the most preferred rural bank of farmers and SMEs in the countryside. One of the strengths of ProFarmers is that our past due and non-performing loans, 1% lang. So ang ibig sabihin lang yan, we are successful in our dealings with the farmers. We have been offering a lot of products to farmers. Yung acquisition of farm equipments, yung crop production, pagsasaka nila, and all other MSME that deal about agriculture. We cater to agricultural products, yung nagtitinda ng mga pataba, ng mga farm implements, and even acquisition of machines, no, like yung harvesters, tractors, and all others, no, na related sa agriculture. At sa mga outreach, mas pinili namin yung participation, yung sa tinatawag na social development goals. Actually, the government has about 17 SDGs. Among the 17 na napili namin is yung zero hunger, and the other one is no poverty, and the last one is climate change. For climate change, ang naging project namin is gradually yung solar para bumaba ang aming konting konsumo, no? Yung sa internal naman namin, of course, yung zero waste, yung segregation, meron na kami mga root crops. At itong ginagawa namin, tinuturo namin sa aming mga borrowers na magsasaka. Yung mini nursery, andun yung maliliit na Nara seedlings, dinagdagan na rin namin ng fruit-bearing tree. Sabi namin, pagkagawat, meron ko pala kayong mga alagang manok, may alaga kayong pabo, pwede nyo ibenta yun. Kaya yun ang geared towards zero hunger. Yung dealings namin, yung granting of loans, particularly for the ordinary farmers. Nakita namin talaga na umangat din yung buhay nila, no? Maraming salamat at nagkaroon ng land bank. Yung support ng land bank sa rural banks, no? And particularly for the deserving rural banks. Mahirap i-measure kasi pag may kailangan ka, pwede sila. Thank you for all-out support for rural banks, particularly sa ProFarmers, no?